My video is about removing the ransomware called DysentryClub. DysentryClub. It's a ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world today. This ransomware damages the files. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. I will just show you how damaging the ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files and how to protect your files. You've just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open the files without troubles, so including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this DysentryClub ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Then the ransomware appends a special extension to the file names, and as a result it's impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. The extension that is appended to the file names is XXX555, by the way. And here is that ransom note. And also the ransomware changes the desktop background. You should not pay the ransom, and you should not waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and obviously this is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the antivirus database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So pay attention to the link in the description to the video. That link will give you more information about some possible ways to recover your data. And don't forget that you can upgrade to premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.